All right, everyone, ready for some fun?
You bet! Let's make today special.
Yeah, I want to play a game. And I'll read a story later.
Perfect. Family time is the best. Couldn't agree more.
Spot!
Warning. World unstable.
Wait, what? Oh! Goo goo gaga!
Okay, team, defense mode!
I'm so excited for today.
Me too, sweetie. It's gonna be great.
Can I have some fruit? Of course, honey. And some tea? And check this out. Wow! Warning! World unstable. Wait, what?
Our world is breaking!
The glitches are spreading.
Okay, team, defense mode! Whoa, look at the walls! We must prioritize!
The garden and park are glitching too. Fix what matters first.
Okay, team, let's fix this. I'll defend the park.
I'll control the system. I'll build defenses. I'll
supervise you.
I'll inspire. Snoz.
Go, go, go!
What helps plants grow?
Sunlight makes trees strong.
Why teamwork matters?
It combines our strength.
Learning helps you solve real problems.
Ready? Let's play! Hit the darts!
Yes, 500 points. Zone protected. Awesome! 1,000!
Not on my one!
You protected what you built with knowledge and teamwork. Defense complete. Next phase, control.
We're almost at the new level.
I see it! It's amazing!
Whoa, look at this place. This is so cool. Let's decide together.
The system shows damage levels. Let's not just fix it. Let's improve it.
Upgrade mode.
Keeping places clean keeps everyone safe. This park looks awesome now! Hurry! Keeping places clean keeps everyone safe. This park looks awesome now! Hurry! Strong base, strong world! Strong base is strong world.
Balance keeps things stable. So, like staying alive in a game.
Helping others makes everything better.
We didn't just fix it. We made it better.
Let's check our plants carefully.
This flower looks healthy, but this one needs help.
Oh no, we must sing! Let's take care of our plants first.
This is so relaxing.
Now, let's draw what we see. Start with the stem.
I did the stem!
Now add the leaves.
I did the leaves!
And don't forget the roots, under the soil. Each part helps the plant live.
Roots take in water. Leaves use sunlight.
Exactly.
It looks just like the real one.
I drew something too.
What is that? Can you draw a flower? Show us your drawing. Look, a secret quiz mode. Awesome. Let's do it. First, draw a flower. Then ask a parent for help. Let's get. I'll get my crayon. Wow, what you placed for Brian?
Roots. What do leaves use to help the plant grow?
Sunlight. Correct. Yes. What do plants need to live?
That's right. They need water, sunlight, and care.
All of it!
What happens if you give too much water?
Damaged!
What happens if you give too much water?
Correct!
What happens if I water the plant all day? Damaged! Yes!
You protected what you built with knowledge and teamwork. Defense complete. Next phase, control.
We're almost at the new level!
I see it! It's amazing!
Whoa, look at this place! This is so cool! Let's decide together!